Take a look at these videos. If I were to tell you that all these videos are AI generated, would you believe it? Let me tell you guys, these are all AI generated videos. And as you can see, the videos look absolutely incredible. I was able to generate all these videos using Google's very own video generator, Veo 2. If you are all amazed by video generators like Minimax, Kling, or Sora, then you need to hold your horses because Google's Veo 2 has overtaken all of them. It has literally taken the internet by storm with its outstanding ultra-realistic video generation abilities. It is so good at creating real motions that it has overtaken all other AI video generators to become the best one yet. Take a look at this image. I generated this image through Google's AI image generator named Imagen 3 and then turned it into a video using Google Veo 2. And as you can see, the result is just outstanding. Now, Veo 2 and Imagen were not open to all previously, but now they have recently made it live for everyone and you can use them through some selected channels. And in today's video, I will show you a tool where you can access Imagen 3 and Veo 2 all in one place. Yes, you heard that right. Not only that, but with this tool, you can create scripts, humanize them, create images using Flux, Ideogram, Imagen, Dolly, etc. You can also generate videos with Veo 2, Kling Pro, Runway, Minimax, etc. Basically, it is an all-in-one tool through which you can create awesome content and go absolutely viral. I use this tool all the time to make videos, fix my scripts, generate images and whatnot, and I just love this tool so much. I'm going to show you every step in detail. So make sure you pay very good attention and watch the video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Abacus AI. I have been using this for a long time, and let me tell you guys, this tool is going to change the way you create content because it is going to make everything so easy and accessible for you. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you are in, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it looks pretty simple and resembles a chatbot because it is a chatbot after all, with tons of other useful features. Now, if you click here, you will be able to see all the different LLMs it has. As you can see, it has ChatGPT's latest and most advanced model 4.5 preview. It also has DeepSeek V3, which has literally shaken the entire AI industry. Then it also has Gemini, Grok, Claude's latest and most powerful model, Sonnet 3.7, and Abacus AI's own LLM, as you can see from here. You can use any of these LLMs to create stories and scripts, do coding, get inspirations and whatnot. You are only limited by your imagination. Let's select the ChatGPT 4.5 preview model. Now, let's ask it to create a video script. So I will give it this prompt and hit generate, and as you can see, it has created a very engaging script, which is just awesome. You can also ask it to create an SEO optimized video title, description, and tags for this script, as I am doing here by giving this prompt and hitting generate. And here it is. It has created an SEO optimized title, description, and tags, which will help you a lot to upload your video and reach more people. You should definitely try this. And now let's generate some images with this. To generate an image, click on this image option first. Next, if you click on this model section, you will be able to see all the image generators it has. As you can see that it has all the models of Flux, which is awesome. Then it also has Dolly, Recraft, Ideogram. It even has an image upscaler, as you can see here. And finally, it also has Google's Imagen 3, and let me tell you guys, it is on the Flux and Midjourney level, if not better. So let's select Imagen 3. Now from here, you can select how many images to generate. I will keep it at 1. And this is the prompt section where you need to give it a prompt. I will give it this simple prompt: a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Next, you can keep this turned on. This will basically improve your prompt for better results. Next, in the aspect ratio section, I will select 16:9 and click on generate. And here is the output. This image looks absolutely outstanding. It looks so real and natural without any overprocessing. Just look at her hair, skin and eyes. They look flawless and so natural. I mean, if you show this to someone, they will not be able to tell it's an AI image. It's just that good. I'm very impressed with it. Here is a side-by-side comparison between Flux Ultra and Imagen 3. As you can see, Imagen's image looks way more natural and realistic. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let's generate one more. This time, let's generate an animated style image. So I will give it this prompt that I have generated using ChatGPT. Next, I will turn this off as the image prompt is already very detailed. Then choose the aspect ratio and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, just look at this, folks. This looks absolutely stunning. I am very much impressed with the quality of the images it can produce. I mean, just look at this. This straight up looks like a scene from a Disney movie, doesn't it? Just imagine the kind of animated content you can create with this. It's just awesome. And now let me tell you, this tool is completely uncensored. Yes, which means you don't have to worry about any content moderation notification every time you try to create something bold. Let's try it out. So this time I will give it this prompt, then turn this off, select the aspect ratio and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, it looks awesome there, doesn't it? And it looks very natural too. Now with Abacus AI, not only are you able to generate images with all the best image generators, but they are also uncensored. What else could you ask for? This tool is perfect, and this image is only the tip of the iceberg. You can really go crazy with this. Let's try one more. This time, let's create an old school anime style image. So I will give this prompt, and just to let you know, I have generated all the prompts using ChatGPT 4.5 preview. Next, hit generate, and here is the output. Oh my god, look at this, it is so amazing. I was not at all expecting the image to be this good. I am very much impressed, and you can also see the image resembles the old school anime style, which is awesome. Now just imagine the kind of anime content you can create with this. All you need to do is turn this image into a video like this and let those views flood in. Now, speaking of videos, let me show you how you can use Veo 2 on Abacus AI and go crazy. To generate videos first, click on more and select video gen. Next, in the model section, you can see all the different video models it has. As you can see, it has Kling, Minimax, Luma 1 2.1, which was released recently, and it also has Veo 2. So I will select Veo 2. Next, this is the prompt section where you need to write your prompt. I will just give it a very simple prompt like this. Next, I will turn this option on for better results. I will keep the aspect ratio to 16.9, and from here you can select the duration of the video. As you can see, it supports up to 8 seconds, which is awesome. Let's choose 8 and click on generate. And here is the output. Wow, I have no words. This looks so natural and awesome. Look at her hair. There is no distortion whatsoever. It really looks like a stock video, doesn't it? There is no distortion, and the quality of the video is outstanding. AI videos have gotten so advanced in just 1.5 years, then just imagine where the technology will go in the future. I'm telling you, this is the best time to learn AI, and I am here to teach you all. Let's try one more. This time, let's generate an animated video. So I will give it this prompt and hit generate. And here is the output. Just look at this. It looks incredible. It really looks like a scene from an animated movie, doesn't it? I'm sure if you show this to someone, they will not be able to tell it's AI. Look at the movements. They are so smooth, without any kind of distortion. I'm telling you, it's even better than Kling, Minimax, or Sora. Let's try one more. This time I will give it this prompt. Now, let's change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit generate. And here is the output. This also looks awesome. Honestly, the more videos I generate with this, the more amazed I get. Just imagine the kind of awesome content you can create using this on Abacus AI. You are only limited by your imagination. Now, if you are wondering about the image to video option, then let me tell you, Veo 2 does have the image to video feature. It was available here, but it has been removed due to some errors. Hopefully, Abacus AI will add it back very soon. Let's try one last video. This time I will give it this prompt to generate an old school anime style video and hit generate. And here is the output. As usual, the video looks phenomenal. Everything is so smooth and natural. From now on, this is my favorite video generator, and you guys should definitely try this on Abacus AI. Now, as good as this tool is, let me tell you guys, Veo 2 is very expensive and it costs a lot of computing points to generate videos, so you need to keep that in mind while generating the videos. Here is a video I created using clips generated by Google Veo 2.
In the desert sands of Giza, where time wears its ancient cloak and whispers of epochs gone by play in the arid winds, rises a testament to human ingenuity and mystery, the Great Pyramid of Giza. This colossal monument of stone, standing resiliently against the backdrop of a modern world, draws millions each year, their eyes wide with wonder, their minds racing with questions. How was it constructed? What secrets does it hold? The precision with which the stones were cut and placed, it's remarkable. Imagine the shimmering limestone casing stones reflecting the sun for miles.
Wow, wasn't that absolutely awesome? I'm telling you guys, if you create quality content like this, then I am 100% sure you will see success very quickly. But guys, you need to make quality content. You can't just make subpar videos and expect them to blow up. You need to add your own creativity and most importantly, use good AI tools to make quality content. And with Abacus AI, it's all here in one place. Now, if you are not utilizing this opportunity to create awesome content, then I am telling you, you are really making a big mistake. Just imagine the amount of money you had to spend before to get subscriptions subscriptions for all the tools it offers. It would have cost you more than $500 monthly, which is crazy. But with Abacus AI, you can get access to all of them for only $10 a month. Only $10, you are getting access to ChatGPT 3 or Mini, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Grok, Llama, Minimax, Kling Pro, Flux, Ideogram, Runway, Luma Labs, and so many more, which individually would have cost you more than $200. I will put the link in the description. You can go and check that out. Trust me, guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep grinding.